Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be recreating this look. This is a holiday party inspired makeup tutorial. If you guys would like more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Alright guys, to start off this look, I'm going to go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C5 and prime my eyelids. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Desert Oasis palette from BH Cosmetics. And the first shade I'm going to start with is Sandstone. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to go into shade Dune, which is more of a darker brown to deepen up that crease shade. Now I dip into the shade Nightscape, which is a very dark brown, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the outer and inner corners, beginning to create a halo look. To clean up the crease, I'm going to go ahead and take that fluffy brush, clean, and I don't take anything else in it, and just clean up that crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the concealer once again and clean up that halo area, so when I put down the shade it looks cleaner and more put together. Now I'm going to take that brush that I used the shade Nightscape, and I'm going to blend the outer corners a little more. I'm not taking extra product, but I'm just blending it in, so that way it looks seamless. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to go into the shade Terrain and put that where I lay down the concealer, which is going to add more of a pop in the eye look. And now once again, I'm going to take the brush that had the shade Nightscape with no more product, just blending it in to go seamless. To start off the face, I'm going to go in with my Catrice Prime Fine to prime my face. This goes ahead and covers my pores and prepares my face for my foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Foundation Conceal and Define in shade F8. This product goes for $11 on their website. You can also find it at Ulta. Very amazing foundation, matte, lasts all day, especially if you're going out at night for a party. And for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the same product I use on my eyes, and that is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C5. This concealer lasts all day. It is very lightweight, but it's also full coverage, and it makes the whole look very seamless. I've never really had any issues, and no, I do not compare this to the Tarte Shade Tape. It is nowhere near the same thing. Of course, this wouldn't be a holiday look without a pop of highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter, shade Monumental. I will say that sometimes this can cause issues. It is best to work with your fingers, but the product does look very beautiful. And if you add powder highlighter on top of it, it looks absolutely beautiful. To set the face, I went ahead and used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Fair Light. This powder blurs all your pores and it makes your face look very flawless, untouchable. It makes it look like you have nothing wrong with it. And I absolutely love this powder. It is very affordable, and it is one of the best drugstore powders out there. For bronzing today, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Beige. To contour my nose, I go into the shade Canyon in the BH Cosmetic Oasis palette, and I use that to contour my nose. For blush, I go into the e.l.f. Modern Metals blush. They do not have shade names, but I went ahead and used the more peachy toned blush that has a little bit of a rosy tone. For highlight, I went back into the BH Cosmetic Desert Oasis palette, and I take the shade Mirage. This is absolutely a beautiful highlighter, and one thing I must say about this Desert Oasis palette is that all the highlighters are absolutely blinding and beautiful and doesn't show up texture. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Nightscape again, and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. I feel like this color is intense enough on its own to bring the look back together. And then to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to go take the shade Quartz. For lips today, I'm going to go ahead and take the Colourpop matte lipstick in Strut. Alright guys, that is the end of my tutorial. To finish off, I didn't show you what I did for my lashes. I used my Tweezerman Curl Lash and my Voluminous Lash Paradise. And then for eyelashes, I went in with the Eyelure. I don't know what their names are. I only have the packaging demonstration, but these are drugstore. As you guys saw, I use all drugstore products in this video. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you.